I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Delish Deliveries Ph. Delish Deliveries Ph got you covered whole days as they deliver Delish Delights for breakfast and even for snacks. And what I am having now is their freshly baked croissants. Their croissant comes in 3 variants. So first they have these butter croissants in which you can have a box of 6 for 388 pesos. And then they also have these chocolate croissants which is for 488 pesos for a box of 6. And lastly, you can have this custard cream croissants in a box of 6 for 488 pesos also. But you can have a box of 6 of 2 of each kinds, or it's their assorted croissant for 449 pesos only. So for that, mga ona dayon ta guys. So first natong i-try ang ilahang butter croissant. So butter croissant, I think this is like the classic croissant, and in which lami kay siya. Croissant is better if ever na ay jelly or I may say jam, pero kani siya itself, even though wala siya jelly, lami na gyud kaayo siya. And now I am trying their chocolate croissants, and kanang lipay na gyud kay ang bata because I really like chocolate, and naa siya sa croissant, and ang chocolate niya, it is really perfect. Dili kayo tamis and not so bitter also. And for that, let's try dayon the custard cream croissants. When you say custard cream, ang masud gid sa akong utok no kay murag leche flan. So try to imagine like a leche flan-ish nga naasud sa croissant. And excited na din ko mo try. Slicing from it, akong pag-tear pa lang niya, grabe na kay siya ka-creamy. And the consistency, I don't know. Dami ito kaayo siya guys. For me, seriously, like, pwede ko mo kaog 6 ani karon now na. Joke lang. For that, ako gyudang i-flex ang custard cream. See how creamy it is. Walay tipid-tipid manan. Perfect na dyan ni pork coffee. Pero bitaw guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!